Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. If you are a Chrome browser user and want to use VPN only in Chrome browser, then this video is really gonna help you. We are going to use a great but free extension. So, go to Chrome Web Store. And look for Browsec. Simply add this from here. I already have added this to Chrome. Now the extension is here. Click here to switch it on. The Chrome browser IP is changed to Netherlands now. Paid version shows more countries, but it's okay with the free version. And the sign shows the VPN is activated. If I check my IP now, it shows the IP is from Netherlands. And when needed, just come here and switch it off. It's totally free and super fast. If it's not shown like this, then simply come to the list and pin it and it will be in the top. So, this is how you can simply use the best extension for Chrome browser and use free VPN. We upload useful video tutorials. Please be with us and subscribe. Goodbye.